How to create a glass effect in Wix Studio. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a glass effect into a container that you're going to add into your Wix Studio website. So the process is going to be very simple and easy. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and from the site's dashboard that you're going to face in here, we're going to select a built on Wix Studio labeled website, like this one that I have in here, or another one that you can find if you have created it. If you did not create a Wix Studio website, you can go ahead and head over, create a new one, click on Try Wix Studio, and here you go. I'm going to select and edit the website, wait for the Wix Studio dashboard to load up. Make sure that you are in the setup or the home page to have the edit site button. Click on it, and you're going to find your Wix Studio website loading up just like that. Now, what are we going to do and how we can do it? Basically, if you're going to have the glass effect created, you need to set up a new section, or you can go ahead and have it into an image or something like that. So let's see here, or let's choose a section. As you can see, I have this section and I want to have the glass effect into this specific, let's say here, section, also the photo. So I'm going to move on here, or let's apply the glass effect to this specific text. How can we do that? We're going to add an elements, and from these elements, we're going to head over the containers. I'm going to select the white one and I'm going to add it in here. So basically, I'm going to add it just like that. Wait for it. Where is it? Maybe it is going to take a little bit of time, or I can go ahead and drag and drop it in here. So what I am going to do is to make it just like that at this specific width that I have chosen. Now I'm going to open up the inspector, and we're going to have on the design, as you can see, fill color and opacity. So we are going to reduce the background color until we are going to have it at 260, between 60 to, let's say here, 50% or below that. And we're going to have apply glass effect on it. So I'm going to apply the glass effect on this specific one. So you can go ahead and have the blur intensity reduced, for example, just like that. Or you can go have it like this, let's say fully blurred. So I'm not going to let it as, let's say here, as blurry as it is, but I'm going to have it just like this. So what I am going to do, also I can go ahead and have the background also reduced a little bit, or the background, as you can see, color could be changed, for example, for another color, just like that maybe, or this orange, or this cream. So I'm going to have it just like that. And I can go ahead and have it like this. So I'm going to attach it in here. I'm not going to have it just like that. So I'm going to redo or undo the process. So I'm going to see the stacking, and we're going to have the text. I'm going to unstack everything, and you're going to see that it is going to be like that. So I'm going to put this attached, and as you can see, it is going to be in here. So please excuse me like that. I want the container to be attached, not the stack. So like that. And also for this one, it is going to be like this also. So as you can see, we have set up the container, and boom, here we have it. I'm going to stretch up the glass or the container that we have. So let's see. I'm going to have it like that. So please let me see the container section. I'm not going to see the section, but the container itself. It is going to be like that. I'm going to stretch it out or make it a little bit smaller. So I think that you've got the idea on how we can set up the glass effect into this specific or any section that we want. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.